Well, I'm sitting in the Costco parking lot, getting on my drawing groove, doing what I always love to do, watching that pencil move. Oh, pencil, I love to draw with you. Yes, I'm sitting in the Costco parking lot, just me and my pencil, us two. Hey, you guys want me to draw something? Let me know what you want, and I'll do a little short, draw something for you. Hee hee hee. Like this kooky Christmas doggy. I still got more time. I got like 60 seconds. What am I going to draw next? Well, I'll just draw a bunch of hearts. That's easy. Okay, see ya.